Hey guys, welcome back. Today on the table, if you can see that well, it might be a little bit of glare. It's kind of sunny out today. We've got a Skagen watch, a men's watch. If you look real close here, maybe if I can turn it, you can see how badly scratched this crystal is. I'm not sure if that's going to show up on this camera. Right up in here, it's really bad. So I decided not to sell it because it was scratched so bad. I actually tried to get some polish on there and make that better, but yeah, no luck. It didn't happen. I probably need to machine polish this, and honestly, I'm not sure if the watch is worth it. It's kind of a fashion watch. It has a beautiful, kind of a brownish tan copper dial, copper accents of the hour markers, the non-numeric hour markers in the hands, the second hand, the other alternative dials, the day and the date. What leather band? I love this leather band. Skagen always has some great leather bands on theirs, or the mesh bands, either one's. The model number in this one is SKW6086. Has standard setting, has standard time setting on it with the crown. You pop it out at different locations. Spin one way for each dial, spin the other way, and then pop it all the way out and then set the hands. So really like this watch. Think it's pretty awesome. Just has that terribly scratched crystal. Let's see if we can find out what these go for. And here's an active listing, as we can see. Oh, you can't see. Let me flip the camera so you can see the desktop side. There's an active listing on eBay, and that goes for about $69. I would say this one that we have in ours would go for less because of the, there you can see a close-up of the model number, because of the scratches on the crystal and such. This one looks, the crystal looks in much better shape, at least according to that photograph. Looks like it has original box and paperwork. It is still in pre-owned condition. So there you have it. Probably about $70, depending on condition. Let me flip my camera back. Depending on condition, but yeah, like I said, beautiful accents on it, right? I really like this leather band. I think I'm just going to wear this since that crystal is so. Let me see if I can get it close. See if you can see. Oh, there we can see a little bit. Look in that area right there as we move it around. Lots of scratches in that area. So that's what I'm dealing with on this one. I probably could get $30-40 out of it if I threw it up online and just sold it, which maybe I'll do eventually. I'll probably wear it around for a while. See if I can at least buff some of the scratches out. Maybe get a few dollars more for it. I'm not into replacing crystals. At least I haven't tried that yet. Finding them, I think, is a little advanced for me. I don't know. You guys let me know. Do you replace crystals with a watch press? Like I have a manual watch press I use all the time for snapbacks, like this snapback right here, to get those on secure and solid and sealed. Do you replace crystals the same way? Let me know what you do, or point me to a video. If you got a video of one, show me how you did yours and how you measured it and how you found ones online. I don't think I'd want to buy them individually. I'd prefer a lot, but I don't know. It just does seem cost effective. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, that's all we're going to do today. Skagen, let's get this one more time. SKW6086, about $70, good shape online. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.